All right, so this is a guided walkthrough for the Zora level on the Venus CTF labs on HackMyVM.eu. So the first thing we need to do on any one of these levels is to read the mission.txt file. So cat mission.txt, and this is level number 47, and it says the user Belen has left her password in venus.hmv. So venus.hmv. This is a domain, and domains on the system, they can be, if the domain is registered on the system in Linux, they should be in a certain file. If you know what that file is, let us know in the comments or in the chat, and let's see if you know where to find these domains. So for example, if you wanted to write a custom domain to your Linux system, which file would you edit? So in this case, it would be the etc host file. So the etc host file is going to have custom domains for your particular system. So on this system, this is the IP address associated with venus.hmv. So it doesn't actually say venus.hmv, it just says Venus. But what we can do is we can try to get this web page by using the curl command. So we're just going to do curl venus.hmv, and when we do this, it's going to resolve to this IP address, and let's see what happens. Okay, so we make what we're doing in this case is we're basically communicating with another server on the network. This isn't the local host. This is this internal IP address right here. When we contact it from this machine right over here, which is what is our IP address? So our IP address on the system is this one right here. So this is an internal IP address, and we're actually contacting another. Are we? We're not. Well, no, we are. Wait, are these the same? This is the same IP address. This is localhost. But for some reason, we're getting fancy with it, and we're associating our IP address in the localhost file. Interesting. I thought for some reason we were contacting another machine on the network. Anyways, this is the password for the next level. So, which user is this? This is the Belen user. Okay. So the Belen user, this is the password. All right, so we're going to go over to Venus. This is level number 47. Okay, so after action report, the target user in this case was the Belen user. The method of solve was to send a curl request to the domain venus.hmv, and the key command was curl very verbose to venus.hmv. Awesome. Okay. All right, everybody. So this was a guided walkthrough for the Zora level, otherwise known as level number 47 from the Venus CTF labs on HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons underneath the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.